guys, welcome in KV Academy online class. I am Praveen Mishra. Today I shall teach you class 5th math. Here are some facts about profit and loss. First we know profit or loss. Then on any transaction or in market or any businessman wants profit, but sometimes he get lost. So the transaction will be in profit or loss. Here profit means if profit and loss everyone's in transactions, these persons buy any things in smaller units and then he sold it the great or more price, that will be profit. If he sell and buy its less than less and then profit or loss. Here important points: when there is profit means if we want profit or in business we get profit, then what conditions will apply to get profit? Here SP means selling price, on the price which persons or shopkeeper sell his goods, means SP is the selling price, means customer buy the things or the shopkeeper give the things in which rate to customers. CP means which price that shopkeeper gets a wholesaler or retailer, means CP means cost price, that price that paid by shopkeeper or retailer by to retailer to against the goods or things. Here selling price means SP, cost price means SP. When we get profit, then SP will greater than CP. So we get if we get profit, then we find profit, we subtract CP in SP, means our formula will be, means SP will be include cost price or CP plus profit. If we want to find what profit, then we subtract, our formula will be profit equal to SP minus CP, means cost price subtracted from ASP or ASP minus CP we get. Here cost price CP equal to selling price minus profit, means if we want CP, then CP will be subtract SP minus profit, then we get our CP. Here when the second conditions, loss conditions, what conditions? That a persons or shopkeepers or traders will in loss, then our selling price means SP when SP is less than CP, means our CP will be greater and SP will be loss. SP will be smaller, then in conditions a shopkeeper will get loss. Here selling price means SP, selling price including cost price minus loss, because our SP selling price is greater than the cost price. Here our cost price means CP will be we get in the condition of loss to add the loss in the selling price, means we get our selling price will be less than CP and then we get CP to add, means in two conditions. In profit conditions we get CP to subtract profit from selling price or SPs, and in the conditions of loss we get our CP price to subtract loss from the selling price. There are two formulas. Here in the further classes there are many types of questions. Some questions are given CP and only SP, then find the profit or loss. We can easily solve the questions, but some questions including CP, there are given many facts that's overhead expense और जो fair expense convenience expense, then we can add total expense in cost. It will be our final CP price. Then we find the SP price, SP price. Then we get profit or loss, and for the class we get profit or loss percent means per 100. What will be profit a shopkeeper get on 100? Okay.